Alright, I got a 2005 Chevy Equinox that having some problems. When I turn it on, it starts knocking, and then after it warms up, it stops knocking. So check it out. Maybe somebody could help me out and let me know what it could be. Alright, let's see. Guess you hear that? If anybody can help, see, after it warms up, it's better. Let's see. It'll stop. Try to speed it up a little bit, but well, I don't want to wait that long, but yeah, you guys get the idea. When it does warm up, it does stop knocking. It sounds good when it's warmed up, so I don't know. If anybody got any ideas, please let me know in the comments. See, it's starting to clear up now. I want to say it was low on oil, but yeah, it has oil and everything. See, it's all clear.